Let's style my hair using a microwave. We're going to use a microwave to style my hair. I'm intrigued, I'm excited, let's begin. So, this is a new method of styling your hair using very low heat. This is by the brand Bunnies Hair. I found them, I think either on TikTok or Instagram. I got them, purchased them myself. I'm not affiliated with them. It's essentially a rod with these gel beads inside that you put into this little warmer or the sack into the microwave for I think 30 seconds. Do the exact same as you would with any other curling rod. You sleep overnight with it. So basically you don't have to sleep in it. You don't have to have the discomfort overnight. You don't have to wait 8 hours or more or less depending how long you're sleeping. So let's do it. First step. Microwave for 30 seconds. And they're saying make sure the curler is always inside the sack, so don't lose this. You don't want the beads exploding inside the microwave. It also comes, yes, it also comes with hair elastics and 2 clips to hold the rod in place. Kind of, but not. I'm gonna add
another 30 seconds, guys.
Yeah. It's not that warm. Nice and warm. I'm gonna split my hair in the middle. Take this out, see how warm it is. I'm gonna do kind of like a messy party line in the back. I'm gonna take this side right here and put it away. Feels warm, but it's not hot. And it feels a little bit uneven with the gels, how warm it is from top to bottom. Okay, so they said you could do this either whichever method you prefer to wrap your hair. You can go all in one direction. You can do kind of like a braid. We're doing the braid. Okay, get one section here, section in the back, and then you have the curler. So front section going away, over, under, back section going towards, over, under. Now you're gonna start adding hair to each section at a time. Over, under, hold. Take the hair elastic. I'm just gonna secure this. This has a smell. I don't know if it's the beads or what, but kind of like a chemical plastic smell. I wonder if it's gonna have kinks in my hair or if it's gonna be good, because you can kind of maneuver this. I'm kind of worried that some parts are gonna have a little bit more kinks than others. We'll see. It's not as consistent as the other curling rods, but I might be surprised.
Don't do too tightly.
Andre's telling me not to do it too tight. I'm not. You can see that I'm not. It's still warm on this side. Warm as in very comfortable to the touch. I will say these beads feel cool, like little stress balls. Next step says, take 40 to 90 minutes. In the meantime, get ready for the day, make yourself some breakfast, go run some errands, drop off the kids at school. I don't know, you do you. I'm gonna apply some makeup. And I'll see you guys in 40 to 90 minutes. We'll do at least 40 minutes. Let's time it. It's been at least an hour and 45 minutes. We were busy doing stuff, but I am ready to take this out. Are you excited?
Yeah?
Of course, it's not warm.
Did you notice when it got cold?
Not really.
No.
I want to say maybe like 10 minutes after it was fully done.
Oh, really?
It wasn't that long, yeah. Make sure to take out.
Maybe you can get it hotter than next time. It's like nice soft wave.
Very soft. That's actually not bad.
Looks really good.
It's a little crinkly up here, but
It's really good.
I love this. Yep. Let me go get a comb, a wide tooth comb. Be right back. I'm just gonna use a hair pick and just some areas, like right here. Make sure, but not going to fully brush or comb through the hair. I'll be honest, was not expecting this whatsoever.
Well, what do you think you were gonna get?
Something very meh that wasn't going to look consistent and beautiful.
Something like this.
Just very meh, you know?
That looks really good.
Wow. I am actually shocked, impressed. I like that my hair looks very silky. I will say my hair is freshly washed. I blow dried my hair using my Dyson Airwrap, the smoothing brush. So I wanted to make sure my hair was nice and smooth before I did this. I'm impressed that ooh, it's pretty warm right here from my head. This is where it's warm, right here. Yeah, it's warm right here still. That's interesting. I didn't have any other product besides my K18, the leave-in hair treatment, my scalp serum for like my hair growth from Act Plus Acre, and like I said, I blow dried my hair. I didn't have any other product in my hair. So we are going to do a wear test. I want to see what the hair looks like at the very end of the day. I'm very curious, or if this is going to just drop out within an hour or 30 minutes. We got something so good. It's not frizzy. It looks great. I'm hoping it's going to fall out really nicely, especially right here. Like you can see, it's kind of pretty bad transition, but it just, yeah, I'm impressed of how beautiful and consistent it looks and shiny.
Yeah, show us the result. Turn around. That looks really good. Really good.
I like when Andre is also excited. He's like, it looks really good. I'll see you guys at the very end of the day to see what the hair looks like.
Or in an hour.
Or in an hour, yes. The waves are out in the wild. One thing I'll mention, it is storming, so if my hair falls out, we're blaming the weather.
Yeah, it's very humid. So
Well,
if it lasts an hour, it's already success.
Yeah. Okay, I did get a hat with me, so we're trying to protect the waves at all costs. But we're gonna go pick up some stuff for New Year's Eve party so that we won't have to go shopping on New Year's Eve. Let's do it. Okay, just came back into the car and it's slowly starting to fall out, but I like the way it's falling out. Babe, what do you think? I can't see from the back.
It's starting, yeah, it's falling out.
It still looks pretty good though.
Still looks good. Yeah, it looks like it's falling out fast because of the moisture in the air.
So this is an hour later.
So it didn't fall out all the way, so that's good in high moisture.
Yeah, because it is raining outside. But I did wear a hat, so that helped. We are back home and it's 3 hours in. It's sunny outside. It stopped raining. It's beautiful. But this is what the hair looks like. There's still something there. It's very subtle, very beachy-esque. I like it. I'm gonna go make dinner and I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere else. I don't think I'm gonna chill outside, but we'll see what the hair looks like at the very end of the day.
Remote control.
Remote control, wow. Thank you for that remote control. Hi, princess. I love your hat. Cooking dinner, making spicy orange chicken with rice and broccoli. Andre's in charge of the rice. You're doing a great job, babe.
I know.
Yum. Okay, we're almost 9 hours in, and I just want to show you guys what the hair looks like. Not much going on. If anything, there's a tiny bit of bend right here, but everywhere else, it's gone pretty straight. I haven't brushed my hair at all today, besides when I took the rod out and I used the hair pick, the hair comb through my hair, but I haven't brushed it since. So, and you guys saw the video, it was raining today. It rained for around an hour. And then we went pick up the kids from grandparents' house after we ran our errands. We came home, you guys saw it was sunny, it was beautiful outside. So I'm not really blaming the weather as much because the hair did have quite a bit of bend and wave happening even after we ran our errands. I would say it started falling out around like the 6-hour mark when I was making dinner and I was cooking and we ate, and then I started looking at my hair and I'm like, yeah, it's not gonna last. This might be good for those that have the hair type where a curl, a wave, it just lasts incredibly long in their hair type. My hair type, I have to put a little bit more work and effort into holding my hair. I have to use either like overnight, like heatless curls. My hair works best overnight for heatless curls. I like to mist it ever so slightly with either some water mixed in with hair conditioner and then applying some oil on the ends. But it does work best overnight to get at least like 6 to 8 hours of the curl in my hair with my hair around the rod. I did have high hopes because I saw the results. I was very excited, but this would probably work best overnight, which I don't like doing overnight. I have to like suck it up and do it overnight, but I have to do it overnight to get the best results and to have those results last at least all day long and then fall out the next day. So yes, it was successful for the first 4 hours. And then after that kind of started going downhill, and then around 6 hours, it just kind of all fell out like this. So 9 hours in, this is what we're looking like. And the only way to do it, I would say, to get better results overnight with your hair slightly misted with some water or some leave-in conditioner or something else. But there we have it. I hope you guys enjoyed styling my hair with a microwave using the very low heat method, but I'll see you in the next one.